The chains of debt. Are you truly free? Do you ever feel like you're working just to make ends meet, constantly juggling bills and expenses, trapped in a cycle of debt and financial stress that never seems to end? True financial freedom might seem like a distant dream, but it's achievable with the right plan and mindset. In his best-selling book, The Total Money Makeover, financial expert Dave Ramsey lays out a clear, step-by-step guide to help you break free from debt, take control of your finances, and build a secure future. Ramsey's plan is not just about paying off debt, it's about changing your entire approach to money. This isn't about complicated investment schemes or get-rich-quick promises that often lead to disappointment. It's about common sense, discipline, and a commitment to changing your financial habits for the better. Ramsey's approach is rooted in practical advice and biblical principles, emphasizing the importance of living within your means, avoiding debt, and building a solid financial foundation. He teaches you how to budget effectively, save for emergencies, and invest wisely for the future. This essay will condense the key takeaways from the Total Money Makeover, providing you with actionable steps to start your own financial transformation. You'll learn how to create a budget that works, pay off debt systematically, and build wealth over time. Are you ready to take charge of your money and unlock the door to true financial freedom? The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Let's embark on this path together and transform your financial future. Embracing the Total Money Makeover, your path to financial peace. This journey is not just a fleeting moment, but a lifelong commitment to financial well-being. The Total Money Makeover isn't just about managing money. It's about transforming your relationship with it. It's about understanding the value of every dollar and making each one work for you. It's about creating a mindset shift that allows you to see money as a tool for achieving your dreams rather than a source of stress. Ramsey argues that financial peace isn't about how much you earn, but how you manage what you have. It's about making smart decisions that lead to long-term stability. He introduces his renowned 7 baby steps, a clear and actionable plan to guide you toward financial freedom. These steps are designed to be simple, yet effective. Each step builds on the previous one, creating a solid foundation for your financial future. From saving for emergencies to investing for retirement, every step is crucial. These steps, built on eliminating debt and building wealth, provide a framework for achieving lasting financial change. They help you take control of your finances and create a life of abundance. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you are financially secure. These steps can help you achieve that. The book emphasizes the importance of gazelle intensity, a concept inspired by the focused determination of a gazelle escaping a predator. This level of focus is essential for overcoming financial challenges. This means attacking your debt with relentless focus and energy. It's about being proactive and taking decisive action to improve your financial situation. This means attacking your debt with relentless focus and energy. It's about being proactive and taking decisive action to improve your financial situation. Ready to embark on your own Total Money Makeover journey? It's time to take the first step and commit to a brighter financial future. Let's dive into the actionable steps that will revolutionize your finances. Together, we can achieve financial peace and create a life of freedom and abundance. Baby step 1. Building your emergency foundation. The first step towards financial security is establishing a solid foundation. This foundation is crucial because it sets the tone for your entire financial journey. Financial expert Dave Ramsey recommends starting with a starter emergency fund of $1,000. This amount might seem small, but it's a powerful first step. This small but crucial safety net acts as a buffer against unexpected expenses, preventing you from falling deeper into debt when life throws you a curveball. It's like having a financial band-aid for life's little emergencies. Imagine a sudden car repair or an unexpected medical bill. These are the kinds of expenses that can derail your financial plans if you're not prepared. With an emergency fund, you can handle these situations without resorting to credit cards, avoiding the vicious cycle of high-interest debt. This fund gives you the freedom to make better financial decisions. This initial step provides a sense of control and security, setting the stage for tackling larger financial goals. It's the foundation upon which you'll build your financial future. Remember, this isn't about saving for a vacation or a new gadget. It's about prioritizing your financial health over temporary pleasures. It's about building a financial cushion to weather unexpected storms. This cushion will give you peace of mind and the ability to handle life's surprises. Once you've achieved this first milestone, you're ready to move on to the next step: conquering your debt. This journey is about taking control of your financial destiny, one step at a time. Baby step 2. Crushing debt with focused intensity. Now that you have a small emergency fund, it's time to confront your debt head-on. Ramsey advocates for the debt snowball method, a powerful strategy that focuses on building momentum by tackling your smallest debts first, regardless of interest rates. List your debts from smallest to largest, and attack the smallest one with every spare dollar you have, while making minimum payments on the rest. As you pay off each debt, the sense of accomplishment fuels your motivation, propelling you forward like a snowball gaining momentum as it rolls downhill. This method isn't just about mathematics, it's about psychology. Seeing those debts disappear, one by one, provides a powerful psychological boost, reinforcing your commitment to becoming debt-free. Section 5. Baby step 3. Growing your financial security net. With your debts vanquished, it's time to strengthen your financial safety net. Ramsey recommends expanding your emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This larger fund provides a greater sense of security, protecting you from major life disruptions, like job loss or unexpected medical bills. Imagine the peace of mind knowing you have a financial cushion to fall back on should you face unexpected challenges. This step allows you to navigate life's uncertainties with greater confidence and stability. This isn't about hoarding money, it's about strategically positioning yourself for long-term financial success. With a fully funded emergency fund, you're ready to shift your focus from survival to building wealth. Section 6. Baby step 4. Investing for a brighter future. Now that you've established a solid financial foundation, it's time to start building wealth for the future. Ramsey recommends investing 15% of your household income in retirement accounts, such as 401ks and Roth IRAs. This consistent investment strategy, combined with the power of compound interest, allows your money to grow over time, securing your financial future. Ramsey emphasizes the importance of low-cost, diversified mutual funds, providing a simple yet effective approach to investing. Remember, investing isn't just for the wealthy. It's a crucial step for anyone seeking long-term financial security and freedom. By starting early and investing consistently, you harness the power of compound growth, setting yourself up for a brighter financial future. Section 7. Baby step 5. Securing your children's education. Education is a valuable investment, and Ramsey encourages parents to prioritize saving for their children's college expenses. He recommends using tax-advantaged college savings plans, such as 529 plans and ESAs, to maximize your savings potential. By starting early and contributing consistently, you can help ease the financial burden of college tuition, giving your children a head start on their future without jeopardizing your own financial well-being. Remember, funding your retirement should always take priority over funding your children's education. There are numerous ways to pay for college, including scholarships, grants, and part-time work. The goal is to provide your children with the best possible opportunities without compromising your own financial security. Section 8. Baby steps 6 and 7, paying off the house and building wealth. With your other financial goals in sight, it's time to tackle your mortgage. Ramsey encourages accelerating your mortgage payments, becoming completely debt-free, including owning your home outright. Once your house is paid off, you can redirect those funds towards building wealth, investing in your future, and pursuing your passions. This final stage is about experiencing the true freedom that comes with financial independence. Imagine the sense of accomplishment and security that comes with owning your home free and clear. This achievement opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to live life on your own terms, free from the constraints of debt. Section 9. Living with generosity and financial freedom. The Total Money Makeover isn't just about accumulating wealth, it's about living a life of purpose and generosity. Ramsey encourages using your financial freedom to make a difference in the world, giving back to your community and supporting causes you care about. True wealth encompasses more than just money. It's about living a fulfilling life aligned with your values. By embracing the principles outlined in the Total Money Makeover, you can achieve financial peace, unlock opportunities, and experience the joy of living with purpose and generosity. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. Start your Total Money Makeover journey today and experience the transformative power of taking control of your finances.